Programming your 2007-2010 Chevy Impala. Key fob, a DIY guide. Want to program your key fob for your 2007-2010 Chevy Impala yourself? It's a simple process that can save you money compared to dealership fees, which average $100 to $200 per fob. These older Impalas use a 314 MHz radio frequency signal to communicate. You'll be synchronizing your key fob with the vehicle's body control module, BCM, and immobilizer system so the car recognizes the fob. No special tools are needed beyond your vehicle and the fob itself. Ensure the replacement fob is compatible, OEM or aftermarket, with the correct frequency. Improper programming can drain your battery or trigger security issues. Start by inserting the key into the ignition. Next, turn the ignition to the on position, but do not start the car. Press and hold the unlock button on the key fob until the door locks cycle. This indicates the vehicle has entered programming mode. Then press the lock and unlock buttons on the fob in sequence to program it. Repeat the sequence for additional fobs if you need to program more than one. Finally, exit the vehicle to complete the programming. According to GM service manuals, this method effectively pairs the key fob to your Impala. Remember, patience is key during this process. Following the sequence precisely is vital to avoid ECM resets or other issues.